Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
A colleague of mine was cleaning her office recently and ran across a box of childhood paperwork. She found something she'd done in kindergarten, a fill-in-the-blank sheet that the teacher handed out. Her 5-year-old self loved having gym class, loved making things, and defined happiness as, quote, when somebody makes somebody else happy. Fast forward to her grown-up self, and Christine often reminds audiences that, quote, it's good to have a good day, and it's better when someone else has a good day because of you. Brain science backs that up. When you make someone else happy, witnessing their happiness, or even just thinking about it, boosts your happiness hormones too. To have a better, more satisfying, more successful life, make at least one person happy each day. That guarantees you'll be happy each day, too.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.